Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a piece of old silver. It's from a collection that I started a little while back. This is a Spanish coin from the reign of Isabella II. This is a 4 real coin from 1848. On this side you have a portrait of Isabella II. So she was queen at around about at the start of Queen Victoria's reign. So there we go. On this one we have no mintages for this coin. It is a silver coin, and as you can see it is quite badly tarnished, and you've got, whoops, let's bring it back in a little bit. You have the portrait of Isabella here. It's not crisp in the true sense of the word. It is a, however, it is a good portrait of her when you consider the age of the coin. On the reverse we have the crown coat of arms of Spain. This coin, as I say, is, I think it's 0.8 silver. It is worn, but it's not impossible to make out what is going on. The writing, we have some wear here and here, but it doesn't seem to affect the actual writing on the coin itself. I don't know exactly what it says. It does seem to have a mint mark down the bottom here of A. Now whether that's Madrid or not, I don't know. Or whether it is another mint entirely, I'm not 100% sure. Here we have a wasted shield, and what I mean by wasted is it goes in the centre and comes out and flares out for the top and bottom part of the shield. It's crowned, which it means say it's the royal seal, and we have the date either side of the wasted part of the shield. We also have the date on this side at the bottom, underneath the portrait of Isabella herself. The first part of the legend around the outer part of the coin here, I think I would need to have it under a microscope because it is worn but not impossible to read. Overall, the quality of this coin is extremely good for the age. Well, I'd say good for the age rather than extremely good if I was rating it, and I would say it would probably, I think I paid about 5 or 6 quid for it. I think in today's markets, this was a couple of years ago when I bought this coin, and when I first registered the video number was a couple of years back. So this was a 2022 or 2021 coin that I bought in 2022 or 2021, the back end of 2021. I'm not exactly sure when, and I paid, I think it was about, I paid market rate at that time for that coin and the fact that it was silver. What do you think of this coin? Do you like it? It is a bit tarnished, but I'm not going to be cleaning it or anything like that because it would take away the intrinsic value or the numismatic value of the coin. So, do you enjoy this type of coin? Do you enjoy this type of silver? Seeing the older silver, it is a little bit of a, given with me that it is, I do enjoy these older coins, and it's something that I'm beginning to get quite a good collection of. Let me just take them out. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you've not yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I reached the target 250 by New Year's of last year, of 2023. By New Year's Eve of 2024, I want to get to 425. That's an increase of what, 175 subscribers. That's a little bit more than I did last year. I did 150 last year. I'm looking to try and do 175 this year. We're now at mid-March. We're just past St. Patrick's Day in middle of March, and I have 293 subscribers. So I'm getting there slowly. But if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, I would welcome you on board. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye-bye. Ta-da now. Oh, and before I go, I do about a minimum of 5, normally 6 videos a week, so you can have a little bit of choice. Keep an eye out for them. Bye-bye. Ta-da now.